guys, so the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is SUNDIAL, or ticker symbol SNDL. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This will allow us to see the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. Helps us find our support and resistance lines, our entries and our exits, and all this other good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So you can see that we're down nearly 4% for the morning. Let's have a look at the volume. So the volume is at 42 million, you guys. So we're way above the 150,000 threshold that we like to see. And the reason why you want it above at least 150,000 is because anything below that is going to be such a slow moving stock. You're not going to be able to get your targets hit or even your stop loss hit. So that's why we always try to pick a higher volume stock. All right, so now let's get into our support and resistance lines, and we'll get into more in depth on the candlesticks. So this top line is our major resistance line, you guys. You can see back here, we tested this resistance. We ultimately created a breakout. What used to work as resistance will work as support on the opposite side. So you can see that we bounced from this area over here, and then back over here. We tested this resistance again, and then a third time, and then ultimately it failed, and you push us all the way back down to our lowest level support area, which has been tested. And we can do that by looking left, like Beyonce says. You can see over here, we tested this area multiple times back here, and then what used to work as resistance will work as support. So you can see we bounced from this area, and over here. Okay, so now you can see we created this higher low, this higher high, I'm sorry, and then we started this downward trend, and then creating these higher lows, and this other one higher low. But if you look where we're at, let me zoom in. You can see currently we're about to test or retest our lower level of support, and this being at the 79-cent area, you guys, or the 78-cent area. Hopefully we can start to correct a lot sooner, but as of right now, you guys, we are in this clear downward trend. We are even still below the trend line. On the RSI, you can see that we kind of were consolidating, but like I said, still creating these higher lows. So the best thing that we can do as of right now, you guys, is wait for the best entry. We don't have that clear direction of a reversal just yet. You can see that we kind of are building a little bit of a support right here. So you can see that we had this engulfing, this hammer candlestick breaking above these previous candlesticks back here, and then we kind of evened out over here. So we didn't want to see this open down here because that just would show more relative weakness. But you can see the depth and penetration of this candlestick is showing that buyers are kind of stepping up and maybe trying to create a reversal as of right now. But we don't have that 100% clear direction as of right now. So once we have that, obviously I'll do an updated video. But as of right now, you guys, I don't think this is a good buy currently. But if you plan on holding long term, like core trading or swing trading, you plan on holding for months or weeks on end, I guess this could be potentially a good buy. You could throw some money in here. I would have a mental stop loss underneath these previous candlesticks, or at least below our support line, and that being back under the 65-cent area. So if we drop back down to that area, you would probably want to get out and wait for a better entry. But other than that, you guys, if this video helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.